Today we're talking about how to manage your menstrual cycle when stores are closed, water is scarce, privacy is gone, and staying clean and undetected actually matters. First things first, bleeding is not a medical emergency. Infections, dehydration, and poor hygiene are. So the goal isn't to freak out. It's to manage flow, stay clean, and reduce risk. Stress can change your cycle. Hunger can delay it. Trauma can make it heavier or lighter. None of that means something is wrong. It means your body is adapting. Your job is to help it. First, let's talk about the best period products for long-term survival. The top-tier item to have is the menstrual cup. It's cost-effective and eco-friendly. It offers longer wear time, up to 12 hours. It provides superior leak protection, comfort, and reduces odor. It promotes vaginal health by collecting fluid instead of absorbing it, thus preventing dryness and lowering toxic shock syndrome risk compared to tampons, while allowing for physical activities like swimming. Other products include reusable period underwear, which is washable, comfortable, and best for sleeping and stealth. Cloth pads are easy to DIY and washable. And disposable pads and tampons are useful, but they create trash and require constant replacement, which is not ideal for the long haul. Unconventional items that can replace menstrual products in a survival situation include certain mosses, grass, corn husk, cob and silk, dried foliage, animal fur and hide, clay, fabric, natural fibers such as cotton and plants with fluffy seedlings such as dandelion, hay, inner tree bark, wood shavings, human and synthetic hair, herbs, charcoal, natural and synthetic sponge. The best and safest way to use these items is to line the inner layer of a makeshift pad to collect blood. Now, let's talk about how to keep clean by filtering and purifying water. For menstrual hygiene, filtered water is water that removes dirt, debris, and some bacteria. It is okay for washing externally. Think lake water. Purified water is water free of bacteria, viruses, and parasites. It is required for drinking or internal use. Alternative ways to clean yourself when water is not available include alcohol, both the drink and rubbing, witch hazel, peroxide, salt water, saline, diluted vinegar rinse, wet foliage, tea and dried herbs activated by your saliva, plants with high water content such as coconut and certain cacti and succulents. Now, let me hold your hand while I say this. Body odor and olfactory cues may influence attraction in subtle ways, i.e. pheromones. I know, scary, right? Having to manage your cycle and fend off men. Oh, the joys of womanhood. Here is how to reduce your scent. Change materials frequently. Store used materials in sealed bags until washing is possible. Use charcoal-lined pouches. Wash with unscented soap. Avoid heavy perfumes. Bury items far from camp, or burn disposables when safe. And never leave a paper trail by leaving used materials exposed or throwing them in the trash. Finally, I have compiled a short, non-exhaustive list of outdoor survival foods and plants that can support menstruation. Willow bark and wild lettuce for pain. Dandelion, mugwort, black cohosh, lots of water, fish, nuts, yarrow, and nettle for cycle support. Raspberry leaf for flow control. Lemon balm, chamomile. Tulsi, also known as holy basil, for mood. So, sis, even when the world falls apart, your body keeps showing up for you. The least we can do is show up for it too, by using reusable products and practicing clean habits and smart scent control. That's survival. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment how well would you handle your period in a catastrophic event. And as always, stay clean, stay confident, stay alive, love you sis.